even as Karnataka was one of the states that had the lesser number of COVID-19 cases in India, we're seeing now that the rise in the cases of COVID-19 in Bengaluru in particular, the capital, has in fact, got the civic authorities and the government acting on its feet again. Now what we understand is that all the big market areas will in fact be sealed starting Tuesdays. You know what, of course, we are picking up at this point. We're at the KR market in Bengaluru, where you can see that life has resumed as normal for these vendors, for those who are coming out to the streets to, actually even purchase the fruits, the vegetables, and several other things. The KR market will also be shut down, along with 3 other markets, that's Chikpet, the Avenue Road, and also, in fact, what we are understanding is Kalasipalya as well. Now, as far as, the reason for this is concerned, we're showing you how, of course, people over here have been going on with life as normal. There's no social distancing that's been maintained, owing to which these areas have now been termed as clusters, where a high number of cases are being reported or are emerging from these areas, which is why maximum restraint and maximum precaution will have to be exercised in these areas. Now this right here, what you're seeing at this point, is the main KR Market building that's been here for several years now, a very iconic one at that, for people, of course, Bengaluru who are aware. And for those who are not, this is one of the bigger market areas of the city. Now it's not just the fruit or the street vendors, that we're actually talking about. It's also going on a little bit ahead to, this side. You have the Avenue Road, which is one of the larger markets in terms of, electronics, appliances, fruits, vegetables. You have several markets going forward, further down into this area. This area will also be locked down from Tuesday, is what we're picking up. And it's not just that, but the adjoining areas too will be completely sealed. Understandably so, affecting and impacting the lives of several of these workers. Earlier too, as you can see, these barricades that were already in place were put in place to, in fact, actually enforce the lockdown or to enforce the seal down before Karnataka permitted these to open up again. But now the bigger concern, of course, for the authorities is curbing the number of cases in these areas. Visibly so, you can see how people have been roaming around with no social distancing. The vendors over here, too, are going on with their daily business. But having said that, now the Chief Minister of Karnataka, B.S. Yediyurappa, has very clearly, gone on to mention that the lockdown has been misused by the people to a certain extent. The unlock that we saw in the state of Karnataka was, of course, something that people took a little bit lightly, which is why now we're seeing a sudden surge in the number of cases. And in a bid to actually, control that, we'll now have to, of course, deal with these sealing down and deal with the lockdown in these particular areas. But whether or not, the situation improves is ultimately dependent on the people and on them maintaining that they will stay at home and follow social distancing whenever they step out. Now, when these areas will again be opened up after the lockdown or after the seal down only depends on the number of cases emerging from these areas.